Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now this morning what we'll be doing is we'll be tackling something that a lot of people are a little bit apprehensive about, but it's absolutely critical, and so I decided to jump on a video to see if we can get more people to get in there and do it. Okay, what we're talking about today is changing the transmission fluid. Alright, so let's jump right into it and see if we can knock this out. Okay guys, now the transmission fluid is a pretty easy job, but first on the underside we have this plastic guard to remove. So we have got 1, 2, 3, see back here, 3, where's my hand? Oh, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 bolts to undo, and then we'll remove this plate. All right. Okay guys, so here we see where I've actually removed the plastic shielding and that guard, and this here is the transmission pan, and this here is the bung that we will be removing in order to access the oil change, the transmission fluid change. Alright, so let's jump into it. Okay guys, now before we start, there is something we need to sort out. Now if you look just here, you'll see a bolt, okay, and that bolt, we need to remove that so we can access the filler for the transmission fluid. Okay, so we need to open that so that the venting can take place for the oil to drain out, or rather the fluid to drain out. Here guys, we have lipstick. Doesn't look like a lipstick, but it is. Alright, cool. Okay guys, so now what we've got 8mm hex head for this transmission pan bolt, and we have a drain pan just below it. So let's get this on the road. Alright, we just broke it free. Okay. Alright. We just needed a little tap. Okay. And then here we go. Alright. Looking good guys, doesn't smell too bad. Okay, now this bung is it's magnetic. I don't see any filings at all on it, which is a good thing. Okay guys, now this will be torqued to between 23 and 30 pound-feet. I've set my torque wrench to 25. That's it. Okay guys, now the transmission fluid that has been removed from the car, okay, as you can see here, it is just under 4 quarts. Okay, so we're going to put that much back in, just under 4. Okay guys, now as we mentioned before, I measured the amount of transmission fluid that came out of this, and it is just over 3 quarts. Now I'll be using the Beck Arnley Type M5. Okay, Mazda is not the only one that makes this. I picked this up at Rock Auto. Okay, price was amazing. I'll put the details in the description below. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this just over 3 quarts. Smells nice. Okay guys, that's it. We changed the transmission fluid, checked for leaks, and now it's just a matter of starting the engine and getting the fluid up to temperature and flowing, and then we'll check again for leaks. All right?